Hello, my name is Mr. Israel and I work at Gum Springs Community Center.
I'm Mr. Lee and I work at Huntington Community Center.
And today we're going to do an arts and crafts project that we call
Affirmation Frames.
These affirmation frames will be created from foam sheets. We'll use rulers, color markers, scissors, and a stapler. And if you want, some tape and some yarn.
So the first step we need to do is we need to take our foam sheets and then we need to cut them to the right length.
What we'll do is we'll grab a long one, fold it in half, like this. Grab the scissors and simply cut in the middle. Once you have that, Mr. Lee will grab the ruler and he will draw some lines so we can cut the center.
We like to use the width of the ruler so that you just line it up right on the edge. You take one of your markers and don't worry about if it'll show because we'll be able to hide it. Do it on both sides.
And you kind of have to be careful, make sure that the lines are straight, that way that the frame looks perfect. You'll do that in all four sides. Once you've done that, then you grab the scissors and then you'll make a small cut in the middle, go to the edge and make sure to take out, not to go over the lines.
The cutting does not need to be perfect. Any kind of waves are a fun way to make a creative, unique design on your frame.
Okay, once we have that, we'll have something that looks like this. And then we'll have the other half of a different color. We'll place it on top. With the staplers, we'll grab, staple all four sides. Voila. Once you have done that, then you grab a separate sheet of paper and you'll write some affirmations.
We like to use a lot of quotes from famous people and positive phrases in the middle, and then along the frame, we use positive words.
The end result will be something like this, where you have the words such as have the courage to struggle, don't give up, trust yourself, on top kindness and respect. Once again, I hope you like this activity. Thank you guys.